Listen, if you have about $15,000 in your savings, you can get a 4 or even a 5-bedroom brand new construction home about 30 minutes away from Savannah, Georgia. I'm right here in Guyton, Georgia, and this is called Buckingham Plantation. Let's check it out. Now, for context, the name of the builder is Horizon, okay? Horizon Homes. They offer 6 different floor plans. All of them are 4 or 5 bedrooms. Now, you're about to see the neighborhood just to see if you like it, of course. I got my drone. I got the GoPro camera. We're going to drive around. I'll also show you the model home. We're going to break down some numbers so you know how it looks like financially, just to see, because maybe you like the neighborhood, maybe you don't like the numbers. Now, there's a few things you need to know about Guyton, okay? Because not everything is pretty, that maybe you don't love, or maybe you're gonna have to consider other options. So stay tuned, because we're gonna go over all of that. Starting from the entrance, Buckingham Plantation is not a gated community, but they do have an HOA, which is $305 a year, and it only gives you common area maintenance, okay? No fancy pool, no fancy playground, none of that. For context, the size of the lots in this community are from 0.23 acres all the way to 0.81 acres. It's not on the flood zone, okay? The builder is called Horizon Homes. It is a local company, it's not a national company, and they're offering 6 floor plans. They go from $350,000 to $450,000, and all of them are either 4 bedrooms or 5 bedrooms as of right now. Now, this neighborhood has an older section that have some homes from 2009, 2015-ish, and now they are doing another phase, and they're going to continue doing a 3rd phase after this, okay? The builder is offering $4,000 incentive, all right? Keep that in mind. Now, I will share with you later in this video more context about the area rather than the neighborhood, so you can get an idea of, you know, how far is this community from other places, all right? So stay tuned. Now that you look at the neighborhood, let me show you the model home and run some numbers. All right, so this is the model home that I'm about to show you. Keep in mind, guys, this has a bunch of upgrades. I'm about to explain to you a few things, okay? But this is it, Wisteria floor plan. Let's check it out. So this one, guys, is a 4-bedroom home with a loft area, right? It's more like a bonus room. And it also has 3 full bathrooms, okay? It has 2,588 square feet. Now, the base price is $363,903. Very specific number, but I'm about to give you a breakdown, assuming that you're going to obviously get a lot, because they have lot premiums, right? Some of the lots cost $1,000, some of them $3,000, $5,000, $7,000, even $10,000 if you were to choose one from scratch, right? To be built from scratch. Keep in mind, obviously, this home is upgraded, okay? The granite countertop is just a standard. Now, the double oven and the kitchen that you're looking at is the gourmet kitchen setup. If you need a hood vent in the kitchen rather than a microwave, that's something that you're gonna have to ask for on the design appointment. By the way, guys, I want to just give you more information rather than stating the obvious. You know how a bedroom looks like, or an office space, etc. So let me just give you a breakdown of the monthly payment, which is more important, okay? So just to give you an example, starting with an FHA loan, you can do a 3.5% down payment, which is only $12,950. And if that's you, your mortgage payment based on the taxes, interest rate as of today, insurance, PMI, and all of that, it would be $2,735 a month. This is a guest bedroom, by the way. Okay. Now, to give you another example, you could do a 3% down payment on a conventional loan, and it would be $2,920 a month. Now, pay attention to the down payment. Okay. Now, what if you have 20% down? What if you are selling your house and you're getting this one? Well, 20% down payment will look like this. It's $74,000, and based on this interest rate, the total payment would be $2,291. Okay, that is just an estimate, by the way. This is the primary bedroom where you're looking on the screen, right? The master bedroom. And just wait until you see the closet. They have the best looking closet I've seen in my life. I mean, not in my life, but you get the point. Also, if you are a veteran, you know what? I'm not even going to tell you until you see this master closet. Hold on a second. Check this out, guys. This is the only closet that I've seen that looks like this on a brand new construction home, okay? Very unlikely. I mean, obviously, unless you get like a custom built home. But in terms of a spec home, yeah. Now, there is a lower version of this that only have the wiring, but this is considered an upgrade, okay, that you can choose. A lot of the builders don't even offer an upgrade, okay? So let me continue and give you the VA loan example. If you're a veteran, 0% down payment, of course, you don't need to do any down payment.
But here's how the numbers would look like. You see, the total payment would be $2,650. So there you have it. That was the loft that you just looked at, and this is a bedroom right next to the loft. All right, normal size bedroom. I think they're like maybe like 10 by 11 or some change like that. I mean, I don't know, but I'm just telling you that this is a normal size bedroom on the market here. Okay, here's you have another bedroom on that side, and this one though has a bigger closet than the other one, as you can see. See, and the main bathroom. Let me show you the outside and then pay attention because I need to give you some advice. So let's do it. Real quick, if you already have some questions in your mind about not only this community, but in general about moving to this area, call me or text me. I'm telling you, I'm the one behind the phone. If you text this number right here, I'm going to be the one answering. Or if you want, you can call me or email me. Any questions, do that, and I'll help you.
And by the way, let's talk about negotiating with the builder. There's always some questions about that. A lot of you guys focus way too much on the price, and that is the hardest way to negotiate with a builder. And let me explain to you why. Normally, if the community is not finished, just like this one is not, they're gonna have to continue selling this floor plan, just to give you an example, this floor plan to a lot of other people, okay? Now, what do you think would happen if they give this home for $40,000 less than you bought it, or for $30,000 or $20,000? Do you think the next buyers, right, the ones that are gonna build here, do you think they're not gonna notice that? Do you think they're not gonna go on Zillow to see how homes are selling, or even their agent if they don't do it, right? So they're gonna ask for the same type of discount. A lot of people are gonna get mad. Everybody else who just bought homes, right? Everybody else who just bought home for $400,000, they're gonna get super angry when they give it to you for $370,000, okay? That can create a lot of lawsuits, or hey, you give me the wrong deal, or hey, you took advantage of me, or whatever. The builder is not going to do that. They rather give you a fridge or maybe some blinds, or give you some incentives or closing costs, or something that is not public information, something that is not going to damage a bunch of the other appraisals. Does that make sense?
Now let's talk about the quality of the builder. Okay, a lot of people always ask about, hey, is this builder a very good quality or whatever, or they want to compare builders. Something you need to know about the materials that they use. This is very common. This is called vinyl siding. Okay, this is a PVC material, very common in the southeast of Georgia. I know a lot of you guys come from places that only use hardy planks. We do have a few of those communities, okay? But yeah, you got vinyl siding, which is a PVC material, brick, very common. Now the windows, builder grade, guys. This is a normal thing here. You're not gonna have a extremely high quality premium, premium built windows on the house. Those, if you're wondering, they are supposed to withstand about 110 miles per hour winds, okay? The last hurricane that hit Savannah, Georgia directly was in 1979, and it was Hurricane David. I wasn't even born by then, but obviously I know my stuff. So shingles, those are supposed to last anywhere between 20 to 25 years, etc. Obviously, if you buy a brand new house and it has a bunch of trees on it, it's gonna go down when it comes to the durability of it.
And now that we're talking about quality, I have to tell you personally, all of these builders around here, normally they have very similar suppliers. They use very similar materials, okay? For example, the framing of the house is gonna be OSB. If you don't know what OSB is, it's basically wood chips glued together, okay? And heated and treated to use as a, lower cost material for building a house. If you wanted to build a custom home, you can use plywood. All of these builders around here, they don't use actual plywood, they use OSB. Okay, I have to get in my car to tell you a few things because there's too much noise outside, and I really want you to pay attention to this. Let's talk about money and run expectations. Here's a few things you need to know. Number one is this: all of those online estimates that you see of the mortgage payments are usually lower than reality. That means do not get excited about it. It's probably going to be more. Okay. So if you're thinking 2,200, it's probably going to be 25 and some change. Okay. So that's one. Number two, if you go online, any builder, it doesn't matter. You're going to notice that they say prices starting at 350 or whatever. Normally, that is the base price. The nicest home normally has a lot of upgrades that you're going to have to pay for. Maybe the prices don't even include the lot. So if you want a cul-de-sac lot, or if you want whatever type of lot, it's going to be way more. So if you're thinking $400,000, it's probably going to be about $450,000. Okay, so do not get overly excited. Okay. Number three, compensation. You don't have to pay your own realtor because all of the builders are on here. They offer a compensation to your agent. So rather than you having to call 17 builders, which by the way, we have about 20, I think it's like 26 brand new developments going on right now. So rather than you calling 26 different builders, you can have an agent that does that for you and get you the information you need. The builder will offer compensation to your agent, period. Another thing is this, if you're looking for a home that you can customize a little bit, choose your own floor, right? The color of the flooring or the material or a cabinet color or whatever. If that's you, keep this in mind. Not every upgrade will increase the value of the house. Every single builder around here, they have a clause in the contract that says whatever upgrades you do, if the home doesn't appraise for that amount, you're gonna have to come up with a difference, okay? So don't think that just because you added $50,000 worth of upgrades, that now all of a sudden the home is worth $50,000 more. So be very careful, ask for advice. That's why you need to have someone that knows what they're doing. Now, like I told you at the beginning of the video, obviously Guyton Georgia is not for everybody, okay? So there's a few things you need to know. Number one, if you're looking to be close 10-15 minutes to Savannah, this is not for you at all, okay? That's one. Two, if you're the type of person that needs to be 5 minutes away to the supermarket and hospital and all of that, this is not for you either, because this is more it feels country, okay? A lot of trees, not much to do, okay? Maybe some gas stations. Yes, they have very good school districts. Other than that, there's not much to do at all. So if you want a better place, you're gonna have to consider all the areas. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'm Luis Bruno. Call me, text me, and I have incentives for every single new construction development, okay? So call me. These builders right here are offering compensation to your agent. So basically, you don't have to pay me anything, all right? Call me. See you next time.